Hi guys, Hi guys, grocery kami for today's video. Ay, kukuha ko ng akin, sa'yo yan eh. Hi guys! So, grocery tayo for today's video. Oh, fresh milk. So, first is you're going to get a fresh milk. Ano yun? Magkano ba yun per maso? 2.11 lang. 2.11 lang siya, oh. So, select pa. 2.11. Tapos, dito is 2.14. So, ano ba dapat? So, saan ba dapat tayo? Fresh milk or so, we're going to get this one. Ayan. Get natin to. We're going to get some cheese. Ayun yung isa doon. Diba mga itsesera? We're going to get some bread. Ay, may bread tayo doon. Mag-get tayo dito. Later na. We have to get later. So, dito muna tayo. Ay, yan. Bear Brand. Pero, bibili ko ako ng Bear Brand. Meron naman ako ng kape. So, stick na lang, I think. Tayo nitong Selka. Kuha lang tayong tatlo. Uy! So, ayan. And then, kuha tayo ng downy. This one. Amoy kulog. Kuha tayo na dito. Oops.
No mix na lang.
You have to get some fresh. Ayan, kaya tayo ng ating Sunrocks Color Safe kasi maganda yan. And then, for sure, wala kami ganito. Bibig, kukuha na ako. Ito. Cleanse, no? hanap tayo dito guys. So, dito tayo sa mga shampoo and then sabon. So, we need some
Calling the
conditioner.
attention of Bago John Ray. Please proceed to lane 16. Bago John Ray to lane 16, please.
So, bibili tayo dito ng shampoo and conditioner. Parang gusto ko ng ano, yung head and shoulder na lang. Ayan. So, and then, ayun, yung Dove. Kasi ito, mas ano, hiyang ako dito. So, nag-get na tayo niyan. And then, one more. So, dito tayo guys sa mga tissue. Sorry ba tayo ng tissue? So, yan pa lang nakuha ko guys. So, we need some tissue. Kasi, sa bahay, garbage bag. We need garbage bag. Kasi, wala pang garbage bag si tita doon. So, we need this. I think large. Kaya natin ng large. 10. Medium, XL. Is this a large? Alright. So, hanap tayo ng large, medium to. Ano naman kasi itong medium? Ito. Here, I got it. Kuha tayo dito ng sabon. Ayun, sila kayo sa sabon.
Nagaya ng promo. Plus po yung balay pa ko. Mga balay ako. Malim.
So later na guys, hanap muna tayo dito sa kabila. Ikutin natin. So, I think we have to get the one. Okay. Ano? Oh, taking to this fiber. Tsaka mango. Bili natin this one. 150 siya or we're going to get this one. I think this should be perfect. Save. Or just cook light on? Cook light na lang? How about white? Or Coke Zero? I think Coke Zero. Much better. Or original. No colors. I think this one is better. Ayan guys. So kung gumawa para sa ref, ay! 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 Ayan. Ha? Wala, nag-video ako. Nagbablog. So yan parang nakuha mo? Ayan, alright guys, ito, pwede natin kumuha dito pa. Ay, iba siya. No, I don't like that. So, hanap tayo dito guys. So, ayan yung sisi ko nung go-grocery din siya. Ano, marami ka na nakuha?
Wala.
Guys, so, ang gaganda. Hindi ko So, we have to get there. Mga yun. Mga Century Tuna. We have to get that one. No, diba? Pwede. Yan kasi sa save siya. Yan. Look. Diba? Century Tuna. Flakes and hot and spicy. So, take this. Meron ka ba bang nakita dyan na pwede natin or how about this one, right? This? Not this one? I think this one is better. Yeah, this one is better. And then the other one, the hot and spicy. We have to get this one too. Perfect. So, meron akong ganito later. Hindi ko alam kung ano pang meron. Noodles, right? So, no, I need some, ano pala, what do you call that? It is, powder. Ito tayo dito guys. About this one. Can we get this all? So, ito na bumili ng oil na yan. At saka, Golden Fiesta siya, di ba? Or maybe this one. Kasi much better this one is a premium. No? Pwede din. Pure Golden Fiesta oil, or we have to get this. Fiesta. Kasi we need some oil. Canola. What do you think? I think this one is better. That's this one. And then, noodles na tayo guys. Oh! Meron pa. I've got here. Check natin dito kasi meron tayong mga paminta. Sa palengke na lang, right? We have to get some pork cubes. So 4 cubes and where's the chicken cubes? Got it. Diba? Perfect. So, ito na yung nakain ko. Okay, next. Noodles. We need some noodles. Okay? Alright, so kuha tayo ng isang chicken. Kasi minsan gusto namin nag-noodles lang kami. And then beef. Kuha rin tayo ng beef. Got it. So, ayan na siya guys. And how about missing ramen beef? Pero yan, diba? Ito yata yung chicken ramen beef. So we have, kuka tayo ng 4. 4 lang. And then, what do we need? How about, pancit canton? How about ang pancit canton guys? So, pancit canton na calamansi or I think it's better calamansi, right? Or can we get here pancit canton sweet and spicy or the chili mansi one? I think the chili mansi one better. Chili mansi. Oh. So I think my favorite is this one. Chili mansi na lang. So I've got 4 already. I really need some butter. And then the butter. Check butter. Here, meron dito Skyflix. So, need natin ng Skyflix. So, ito yung Skyflix ng bet na. So, I will get this one or like 2 big. Ito lang. I think this one. Yan. And then, I will get what do you call it? Yeah, gotcha. So we have here the Hansel, Rubesco, or Hansel. I think Hansel. Yeah. So Hansel guys. Perfect. Ayan, nakuha na natin. One more pa. Sabon na lang. So, kuha na natin ang ating sabon. So, maybe this is fine. So, ayan, may sabon na ako. And then, we need more. Maybe that's it. That's fine. Toothpaste. Kasi kailangan namin ng toothpaste. Yeah. So, we need some toothpaste here. So, ito na lang kasi kailangan. Colgate na. At saka parang dalawa to, right? I think this is 2. Dalawa na ba to? Parang for sure, this is dalawa. Parang ito dalawa na to. So, we're going to take this kasi Colgate ang kailangan namin. At saka yan ang panitita. So, take it. Ayan. Nakuha na natin. How about Colgate? A toothbrush. So we need some toothbrush. Charcoal. I think that's not for now. We're going to find another more. Parang bet ko siya guys. Para at least meron ako dun sa red. Can we get this one? Bilhin natin siya. So, ayan na siya guys. Para may laman yung ref namin. And how about this? Parang marami na. Ayan na siya guys. Ang dami niya na. Hindi ko alam how much that one. For sure. And guys, masarap to. Yung Seeking Bangos. Seeking Bangos is almost 300 pesos. However, this one, this one is good. I like this. So we have to buy this. Anyway, go. Doon ko po sa work kasi magpa-freezer tayo later. And then, how about bacon or something? Hot dogs. Okay, let's check later. And let's. Or do you like some chicken or no? Hindi ko na alam kung saan ang bibilhin ko. Pero at least yung Seeking Bangos. Ay, ito meron dito mga tocino. Perfect. So, hanap tayo ng tocino rito. Yung sa yung young pork tocino. Diba? Masarap yung young pork tocino. We have to find out. Dito. Yan. Dito pa yung Pampangas best. Yung pang young pork tocino. At least diba? Practice meron na tayo sa bahay. So, dito sa kabila. Ayun yun. Meron din. Okay. Young pork tocino. Here. Perfect. Ito yung ano yun? Young pork tocino. Diba? Ay, CDO. CDO ba? CDO or pure foods? Ay, I think basta ito siya. Itong gunin natin. Young pork tocino. This is the one. Kuha tayo ng dalawa. I think dalawa or I think it's only one lang. One lang. Isa. Ayan. Young pork tocino na kukuha na tayo. Perfect. How about hot dogs? Diba? Alright, so meron na kami. Oh my god, yan. Nuggets. So we need some nuggets. 100 Pure Foods chicken nuggets. Tawag na yun? Ano nga lang dito? Oh, I don't like hot dogs. We need some hot dogs. Here. So it seems gusto namin ng ano, cocktail. Cocktail ba to? So this is the one cocktail, right? So cocktail is fine. May cheese ba ito? At pero dapat walang cheese. Okay, this is fine. Got it. So I have here. So marami na akong na-groceryhan. So kasi pa-open ko yung oras namin. So I have hot dogs, and then the groceries here. So, meron na ako. Then the Colgate. What else? How about cheese? Oh yeah, cheese. We need some cheese. So, here, the Dairy Cream. We need Dairy Cream. Buttermilk or the classic. I think classic. That's better, the classic one. Diba? Sala siya mo. Naka Dairy Cream na kami. Dairy Cream, this is fine. And then, I need some yogurt. I like yogurt. So, mag-yogurt tayo. Pass out. So, need Let's get this one. And then I like this one, the strawberry one. This is good. Alright, this, wow, we have the yogurt. So, I have already this one, the barang and then the yogurt. That should be perfect. What else? Okay, what else guys? What? Did you see? Na pwede pa natin makuha? Parang ayoko na. May fries. There. Nothing. It's okay. Let's go. Punta na tayo. Hanapin na natin si Mama. Hey, it's the Yakult one. I see the Yakult. You see that? Okay, so we have to get the Yakult one. Yes. So, we need 2 Yakult. Alam mo na yung ating kusang sa bahay. Manili kami sa Yakult. And then, that's fine. 2 Yakult is fine. Guys, that's all I need. We're going to find na Maku. Alright guys, so see you for watching guys and see you for my next vlog and then abangan nyo ang pag-upload ko nito na magpapanda tayo ng ref later. Peace! See ya!